You know how your business talks about scaling, faster growth, more efficiency, tighter teams? But here's the thing. Your company already has a system running it. Whether you've designed it or not, it's there. Now, the real question isn't do you have an operating system? Is it intentional or accidental? Because the system you're running decides whether your business grows or grinds. Now, most founders don't realize that what's slowing them down isn't effort, it's friction. The kind that hide in unclear roles, scattered tools, and processes that live in someone's head. That's why I want to show you what a clean, intentional system looks like. One that runs predictably so you don't have to keep being the engine. Now, today we're going to unpack how to strip the chaos out of your company and install a rhythm that actually scales. You learn how to map your business like a system, build processes that run without you, and use a simple framework called scale to grow cleanly without breaking what's already working. Now, let me take you back for a second. It's the 1960s. NASA's trying to get to the moon. They've got brilliant engineers, incredible minds, but total chaos behind the scenes. Now, everyone's working hard, but not together. Communication gaps, missed handoffs, systems all over the place. The missions keep failing, not because of bad people, but because of no shared operating rhythm. Then something shifts. The build mission control, one central system that connects everything. Suddenly, everyone's synced. Engineers, astronauts, decision makers, the same tools just running on one unified rhythm. And within a decade, they land a man on the moon. Now, that's what happens when a system becomes intentional. That's exactly what a business operating system does for your company. It's your version of mission control, the system that keeps every moving part aligned so execution becomes predictable and not personal. Now let's break down the skill framework. 5 moves that turn a reactive business into one that runs clean, fast, and stable. So let's start with the first one, which is about standardizing what works. You know that moment when you're training a new hire and halfway through you realize everything I'm saying lives in my head? That's a problem. Now, most companies run on memory. Everyone has their own way of doing things. And that's why things break when you're not around. When you document how things get done, even if it's just a checklist or screen recording, you start creating consistency. It's not about red tape. It's about clarity. You stop reinventing the wheel every time. You move from one-person heroics to team-wide repeatability. So here's what I want you to do this week. Just pick one area, maybe client onboarding or delivery, and just write it down step by step. It doesn't need to be pretty. It just needs to exist outside your head. Next is all about centralizing systems and tools. You've probably seen this. 15 different apps, everyone using a different tool, files all over the place. That's digital chaos. It's what kills momentum. Now, when you centralize, you create flow. One project tool, one communication channel, one shared dashboard. It's your mission control. Your team's single source of truth. Everyone knows where to go, where to update, where to focus. Do a quick audit. Look at what tools you are using. If 2 apps do the same job, pick one. Simplicity scales, clatter collapses. Then comes assign roles and accountability. I hear this all the time. We've got great people, but I still end up redoing their work. Now, that's not a people problem. That's a system problem. When roles and clear accountability vanishes, now every function in your business should have an owner. Every key metric should have a name beside it. Because if everyone owns it, no one owns it. That's where things fall through the cracks. So grab a whiteboard and write down the 5 key areas of your business. It's sales, delivery, marketing, finance, ops. Now put one name next to each. That's your accountability chart. Keep it simple. Once you do that, decisions speed up and responsibility gets real. The next one is all about leveling up your skills and a structure. Even the best systems break if the people inside them don't grow. You can't scale a company if your team's running on the same playbook from 2 years ago. Think of it like a sports team. If they never train, the system falls apart. So build in a rhythm of learning, short skill sessions, feedback loops, cross training. As your business grows, your structure might need to shift too. Review it quarterly. Ask yourself, does this setup still serve the size we are now? That's how you stop relying on a few top performers and start building strength into the system itself. And finally, execute and evolve. Now, this is where most operators stop. They build the system, but they never update it. The truth is, execution isn't a one-time thing. It's a rhythm. Weekly check-ins, monthly scorecards, quarterly resets. That's the heartbeat of your business. But here's the key. Evolve as you go. Run, review, refine. Don't wait for things to break. Stay curious. Stay iterative. It's like flying a plane. You don't just take off and walk away. You're monitoring, adjusting, improving mid a flight. When you run scale, your business stops being the collection of moving parts and starts acting like one clean system. You stop firefighting. You stop being the bottleneck. You're not managing people anymore. You're managing the system that manages outcomes. And that's a shift from chaos to control, from effort to leverage, from working in the business to operating it like a true builder. And here's a part most founders miss. Once your business runs clean, the next system you have to install is you, because your business can only run as clean as the operator behind it. So if you're ready to take that next step, click right here to watch my next video. What is a personal operating system and why you need one? That's where we turn the focus inward and build a system that runs you.